Okay guys, so in previous video we created employee class and its collection. Now time for creating its lambda extension for test method. So predicate, and what kind of object we have to deal with? This time we have to pass this whole employee object. The name or the salary won't be enough. So I will pass this whole employee object. Let's call this P equals, and let's call this employee arrow sign, and here we will check if emp dot get salary greater than 5000. Okay, then say true. Right, that's it. Even you don't need to write else condition for that. It makes sense that if it is greater than 5000, so return that. And emp is, what's happening here? And we can have this return statement here. We can have false outside, because we, if it don't go inside if condition, so let's return here. So no need to write else condition, just return that way as well. Okay, and next what we can have, like a call. So um, um let's run loop on this whole collection. So for loop, then reference is employees, so employees, and then employee, and employee goes here and column. Now one by one we will pass this employee object inside that thing, and let's see how it works. So if p dot test, that's its method, and pass that employee. If it is there, only then sys out this employee object. Done. So toString will be called and prints this whole data of that employee. So let's run this code and see the impact of writing predicate for this. So it prints 6,000, 10,000 and 25,000. So only 3 employees gets printed. Sham and Arjun, they gets ignored because they don't have salary greater than 5,000. So that's how you can write predicate for your custom objects as well. So keep evolving, recreate your own scenarios and start working on them. Still there's a doubt, put your code in comment section. I will definitely fix it if it is not working, or maybe you're doing something else. So in next video we will do some more functions on predicate. This was just test, but if you scroll down its document, predicate interface has and, is equal, negate and or, but there is only one abstract method, test. These are default and static methods. What are default and static methods, we will discuss in some upcoming classes, because right now we have to just cover up all the function interfaces. Later we'll discuss about what are default methods, what are static methods, and what's the purpose and how to use them. So in this interface we have 5 methods, but only one method is abstract, and that is test, and these are default and static methods. And it's possible here in JDK 8, it's possible that you can have one abstract method if your interface is marked with at function interface. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. In next video we will see use the function some more methods from this class. So stay tuned in, we will see in next video. Bye bye.